Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Brendon Cooley. I'm a training administrator here with Northwest Enforcement. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about some security tips that everybody can take today. When we're thinking about a criminal element, it's really important to think about the perspective. A lot of opportunity crime happens when, quite honestly, things are easier. When we're thinking about how to protect ourselves from a criminal element, it's really important to think about two things. We really just want to make it difficult for crime to happen, and we want to present a situation where it's not going to be easy for somebody to get away with it, okay? So criminals really want those two things. They want it to be easy, and they don't want to get caught. So as we're thinking about what we can do to better protect ourselves, we're trying to make ourselves a least likely target, all right? If you have a business, it's a great idea to think about how you present your business to the outside world. This means that if you're looking at the outside, think about what it might look like at night. Make sure that you have proper lighting. While you're away from the property, great idea to have any kind of motion lights or any kind of lighting inside to make it appear as though somebody's there. Sometimes you can hook those up to some kind of automated lighting that might come on at certain times of the day and turn off, make it appear as though somebody is there. You don't want to overly advertise what you have inside your office, but it's a great idea to keep blinds closed so people don't have an open view into everything that's going on. Again, light makes it a little bit more difficult for any kind of activity to take place. So the hope there is that the criminal element will find somewhere that perhaps might be a little bit darker, make it easier for them to get away with doing whatever it is they want to do. Keep in mind, if you have any vegetation, keep it clipped down to allow for a good line of sight. Try to have and maintain security cameras around the area. If you don't already, try to have a relationship with some kind of security provider, whether it's a security officer or a monitoring system. Definitely think about having an alarm installed. If you ever notice graffiti, it's important that the graffiti gets covered up as soon as you can. If you have any kind of vehicles outside, it's a good idea to keep those vehicles locked. Don't have any belongings out in plain view for any kind of opportunity crime. Better yet, if you have any fleet vehicles or any kind of vehicles you can store inside, better or best just to have those out of sight whatsoever. When I'm away from the house, I always try to have the doors locked. I have the alarm system armed to be when I'm home, and definitely away if there's nobody in the house. I always try to communicate with neighbors if I'm going to be away from the house, or if my family's going to be away, to let them know. Any kind of suspicious activity, please let us know, and I invite them to let me know when they're going to be out of town so I can help watch their property as well. I am a training administrator here at Northwest Enforcement. I've been in the security field since about 2006, and right now I am really focused on making sure that our personnel get all the training they need, whether they're out on patrol or on sites, whether it's during the day or at night, making sure everybody knows what they should be doing and, more importantly, why.